Good morning, witches. Welcome back to Pagan Pathways. Jessica here with another herbal blend. This is a wet herbal blend. Our base is olive oil. It's called Shut the F Up Spray. Yes, you heard that right. Shut the F Up Spray. If somebody is gossiping about you or spreading rumors or just won't keep their mouth closed, this is the perfect blend for you. Now, typically I write my own spells and herbal blends. I did not write this one. It come from All Things Blessed Be. Okay, let's get on moving here. Olive oil is the first ingredient, lemon oil to pucker their lips, cinnamon to choke on their words, alum to dry their idiotic words, and powdered mustard so they gag on their own words. Yes, very potent and powerful stuff. So let me show you how we do this. I've already got the olive oil in the bowl. I'm going to put about 10 or 15 drops of the lemon oil, maybe a few more because we really just want them to close their mouth. We're going to take a nice portion of this. Actually, I don't even need the spoon, I don't think. I'm just going to dump it in there. And then the same with the alum powder. And lastly, the mustard powder. We'll stir this up, and it's going to be a pretty thick consistency. The whole time you're stirring it up, you should be like infusing it with your intentions. In the recipe, it says that you should scream and yell at it and curse at it, you know, what you'd want to do to the person who's causing you so much ill. So that you're infusing it with all that. Okay, and then you could store it in a jar like this. This was already some I previously had. It gets real thick in the bottom. But I am going to add it to the spray bottle. To do that, I will strain this and then add just the liquid in the spray bottle. So yes, this is too thick to go straight from the bowl into the spray bottle, which, by the way, this came from my haul video. This is a metal spray bottle from Dollar Tree, so you can get that pretty cheap as well. But I leave it sit in here and ferment and soak up all those properties, and when I feel like it's ready, I will, like I said, strain it and then put it in the spray bottle. And then if you're wondering how to use it, I mean, you could spray it on the person, but I don't suggest that because it's probably going to get you into some trouble. You could just write their name and their birth date on a piece of paper and spray it that way during however you want to set up your ritual, or you could get their picture and spray it on that. You know, you can make whatever kind of ritual with this that you want. Those are just some ideas, but this is how you make the Shut the F Up spray. I hope you've enjoyed it, and if you make your own and use it, leave me a comment down below so I can follow along with your world as well. All right, witches, we'll talk soon.